Hello students, welcome back to our channel KCYC. In this video we will be continuing with our geometry ka third chapter, that is triangle, and we will be doing with your exercise 3.3.
Hello bachcho, today we'll start with a new exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 करने के पहले ना बच्चा लोग you should know the basic. Now I'll teach you isosceles triangle theorem, converse of isosceles triangle theorem, 30, 60, 90 theorem, 45, 45, 90 theorem. Then you got something called as, that is in a right angle triangle, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the hypotenuse, and then you got something called as median, something called as orthocenter. तो total ये 7 points जो बोल रहा हूँ that everybody understand, copy, it will help you in your 9th standard as well as in your 10th standard. Now very first thing you got something called as isosceles triangle theorem. What do you mean by isosceles triangle theorem? Isosceles triangle theorem is not in your AJOS this year में prove करने के लिए नहीं है. Everybody know what you mean by an isosceles triangle. This is your triangle ABC. Now you got your triangle over here. What is a triangle over here? Your triangle is ABC. Now what do you mean by isosceles triangle? अभी isosceles triangle का मतलब क्या होता है ना? Everybody know there are three types of triangle. One is an isosceles triangle, the other one is an equilateral triangle, and the other one is a scalene triangle. In a triangle, अगर all three sides congruent है, that is an equilateral triangle. अगर दो sides congruent है, that is an isosceles triangle. और कोई भी sides congruent नहीं है, that is your scalene triangle. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene. अभी now what happens over here? This is an equilateral triangle, मतलब ये और ये congruent है. तो if you say that is if segment AB is congruent to segment, what is that बच्चा लोग AC. So आज के बाद बोलेगा isosceles triangle theorem, अगर ये साइड और ये साइड congruent है तो you can say that is angle ACB is congruent to angle क्या बोलेगा बच्चा, that is ABC, और the reason will be isosceles triangle theorem, मतलब if the sides are congruent their base angles are also congruent. Then we get over here converse. Converse बोलेगा तो क्या बच्चा, converse of isosceles triangle theorem. What do you mean by converse of isosceles triangle theorem? मतलब इसका उल्टा. इसका उल्टा मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? This is again your triangle AB. I'm writing over here D. तो उसमें क्या, ये एंगल और ये एंगल congruent है, तो उल्टा that is if angle ABD is congruent to angle ADB. That is angle ABD. This angle and this angle is congruent. मतलब मैंने ये लिया ना. Therefore, you say this is over segment AD is congruent to segment क्या जाएगा बच्चा, this one. AD will be congruent to AB, and this is called as converse of isosceles triangle. So this is the isosceles triangle, converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Then we got something called as 45, 45, 90 theorem. ये जो 45, 45, 90 theorem है ना, ये आपका ना 10th में बहुत यूज होता है. What is a 45, 45, 90 theorem? That is ये triangle है, this is 90 degree, and this side is congruent. This is your triangle ABC. अगर बच्चा ये sides congruent है तो ये angle बनेगा 45 degree, ये बनेगा 45 degree. This is also called as an isosceles right angled triangle. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Isosceles right angled triangle. तो इन दिस एक 45 है, एक 45 है, ये 90 है, तो तुम्हारा ये और ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, मतलब बोलेगा इन ट्राइंगल एक 45, 45, 90 है, एंड यू कैन से दिस इज AB इज इक्वल टू BC. बराबर है, ये AB और BC सेम है, एंड योर फॉर्मूला सेज दैट इज AB इज इक्वल टू BC एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन √2 टाइम्स ऑफ क्या बोलेगा बच्चा, AC. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज 45, 45, 90 theorem. Then you get something called as 30, 60, 90 theorem. This is very important in 10th standard बच्चा. What is 30, 60, 90 theorem? This is your triangle over your PQR. इसमें का एक एंगल 90 है, एक एंगल 30 है, और एक एंगल कितना है बच्चा, 60 डिग्री है. So what is the 30, 90 triangle? 30, 60, 90 theorem says that is your side opposite to 30 degree. Which is your side opposite to 30 degree? ये 30 डिग्री का साइड ऑपोजिट कौन सा है, QR. सो यू से QR is equal to half of the hypotenuse, that is PR. So you say this QR, the side opposite to 30 degree, पहला वो लिख लेगा QR फिर योर प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज हाफ ऑफ पी आर, और दूसरा द साइड ऑपोजिट टू 60 डिग्री, क्या नाम है, द साइड ऑपोजिट टू 60 डिग्री दैट इज पी क्यू, दैट इज इक्वल टू √3 upon 2 times of your hypotenuse, that is PR. So this is your 30, 60, 90 theorem. Then we get over here this one, that is in a right angle triangle. ध्यान दो बच्चा लोग, this is we'll take it as ABC लेते हो आप, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is a right angle triangle और ये ना बच्चा है, this is your median. Now what is a median? I will teach you over here what is a median. Now बच्चा लोग, everybody pay attention. I think everybody know what you mean by a median. This is what you get a triangle over here. ये इधर है. If बच्चा ये vertex से आ रहा है, if you see over here, this is coming from a vertex और ये midpoint है, P midpoint है, मतलब this and this is congruent. अगर P is the midpoint बच्चा ये vertex से आ रहा है तो this AP is called as a median. इसके बाद I'll teach you more what is median, what is centroid, what is orthocenter. So in a right angle triangle, अगर ये बच्चा ये median है, BD is a median, that is in a right angle triangle, the what is that? This is your median drawn to the hypotenuse. That is, this is what you can say, that is BD is equal to half of AC. This is what you can write on the screen. देखो ये लिखने का, that is in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, that is sorry, in a right angle triangle, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. That is in a right angle triangle. This is a median drawn to the hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. So keep in mind bacha, this is your isosceles triangle theorem, converse of isosceles triangle theorem, 45 45 90 theorem, 30 60 90 theorem, and that is in a right angle triangle, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the hypotenuse. Now बच्चा लोग check with your median and altitudes. बहुत बच्चा लोग कंफ्यूज होता है कि what is median, what is altitude. In this exercise 3.3 आपको median का property use करने का है. Now what is a median? Now बच्चा लोग pay attention. ये triangle I have drawn a triangle over here, and if you check over here ये ऐसा है. Now this is your triangle over here ABC, and this is D over here. So this and this is what you get over here. ये बच्चा लोग this is over here P, and this is pay attention. This is R. ये भी median है, ये भी median है. This is a median. ये कंपल्सरी बच्चा वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए और मिड पॉइंट पे आना चाहिए, तो दिस आर कॉल्ड एज द मीडियन. तो यू कैन से दिस इज एडी, देन वी कैन सी व्हाट इज दिस, एडी आ गया, इकड़ है दिस इज बीपी, एंड दिस इज सीआर आर या व्हाट इज दैट बच्चा, मीडियंस. और ये जो जहां पे मीट होता है ना जी, जी इज कॉल्ड एज द, क्या लिखा है, जी इज कॉल्ड एज द सेंट्रॉइड. व्हाट इज दैट, सेंट्रॉइड. अभी वापस एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया, चेक करो. अभी यहां से स्ट्रेट परपेंडिकुलर आता है, दिस गोज ओवर स्ट्रेट, दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, और ये यहां पे दिस इज स्ट्रेट, दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज P, दिस इज Q, दिस इज R, and I'll take this as O. नाउ बच्चा ये वर्टेक्स से मिड पॉइंट पे नहीं आ रहा है, परपेंडिकुलर आ रहा है, दिस इज A, दिस इज B, दिस इज C. तो you call this as your PA, this is over QB, and this is RC. They are called as the, क्या बोलेगा, they are called as an altitude, and जो O है ना, O उसको बोलते हैं that is called as an orthocenter. What is O called as an orthocenter? Keep this in mind. Again यहाँ पे आ जाए. Now pay attention everybody. अभी बोलो, this is your triangle ABC, this is P, और यहाँ पे मार्किंग किया. What is this? बच्चा ये क्या हो गया, ये हो गया तुम्हारा मीडियन. ये इधर वापस आ जाओ बच्चा लो, this is BR, this is your median. ये मार्किंग किया, एंड दिस इज CS, ये बच्चा, और इधर हो गया G. नाउ पे अटेंशन एवरीबॉडी, आई टोल्ड हो यहाँ पे सेम है डायग्राम, बट कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बता रहा हूँ. दिस इज अ मीडियन, दिस इज अ मीडियन, दिस इज अ मीडियन, और तो दिस इज व्हाट गेट ओवर हियर, दिस इज द सेंट्रॉइड. नाउ बच्चा लोग एवरीबॉडी कीप इन माइंड, ये जो मीडियन है ना, और ये क्या बच्चा बोला, सेंट्रॉइड, दैट इज द सेंट्रॉइड कट्स द मीडियन इन द रेशियो 2:1. मतलब क्या बच्चा, ये है ना, ये AG, ये दो पार्ट रहेगा और ये 1 रहेगा. तो व्हेन यू डू एग्जांपल्स विल डू दिस वे, दैट इज AG. दिख रहा है बच्चा, तो AG कितना पार्ट मिला, AG को अभी बोला 2, टोटल पार्ट कितना है, दैट इज 3. सो इसे AG इज इक्वल टू 2/3 टाइम्स ऑफ द फुल, दैट इज AP. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड बच्चा दिस. ये बड़ा पार्ट रहता है, तो AG इज 2/3 ऑफ द फुल. या अगर आप GP लोगे बच्चा, GP, तो GP कितना पार्ट है, 1 अपॉन कितना, 3 ऑफ द फुल, दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन से ओवर, दिस इज AP. मतलब AG will be 2/3 that full, GP will be 1/3 of the full. अगर सपोज आपको ये और ये कंपेयर कर रहा है, अभी इधर देखो, इधर कैसे कंपेयर किया था, AG को फुल के साथ, GP को फुल के साथ, अभी आजू और बाजू वाले को कंपेयर कर रहा है, तो इसे AG will be equal to twice of GP, या उल्टा लिखो इसको, that is GP will be equal to half of AG. This will help you a lot to do your examples, and you can see over that is the centroid divides the median in the ratio. क्या बोला बच्चा? That is sorry, that is what you get over here. This is 2:1. So this are your properties. अगर आपको ये properties आ रहा है, then you can do your next, that is exercise 3.3 as well as in your 10th standard. Again I repeat, isosceles triangle theorem. What does isosceles triangle theorem says बच्चा? That is अगर sides congruent है तो angles congruent है. Converse of isosceles triangle theorem क्या बोलते हैं? अगर angles congruent है तो sides congruent है. Then you got a 45, 45, 90 theorem. जो 45, 45, 90 theorem है वो triangle को बोलता है isosceles right angle triangle. That is your congruent sides is equal to 1 upon the root 2 times the hypotenuse. Then you get 30, 60, 90 triangles. That is in a 30, 60, 90 triangle we can use a 30, 60, 90 theorem. What does the 30, 60, 90 theorem says? That is the side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Then you got that is in a right angle triangle, a median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the hypotenuse, and then this is your medians, these are your altitudes. मीडियन जहाँ पे मीट होता है उसको सेंट्रोइड बोलता है, अल्टीट्यूड जहाँ पे मीट होता है उसको ऑर्थो सेंटर बोलता है. द मीडियंस, दिस इज योर सेंट्रोइड, ठीक है. द सेंट्रोइड डिवाइड्स द मीडियन इन द रेशियो 2:1, और बाकी का ये लिखा हुआ है. होप एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक्स. दिस इज द ABCD ऑफ ज्योमेट्री बच्चा, ये सब समझना जरूरी है आपको. देन ओनली यू कैन डू विद योर एक्सरसाइज. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 3.3. Now check with the exercise 3.3. But a very small exercise, you got only 4 sums. So like basic अभी जो बोला formulas, properties सब आ जाएगा, then you can do that sum. Now check everybody with the diagram over here. Find the value of x and y using the given information. See the first one. This is what they are given a diagram over here. Check बच्चा लोग, it's very simple. They are given over here. This is A. This is your triangle ABC. यहाँ पे this is your x, ये है तुम्हारा 50 डिग्री, and then they have put this marking over here. They are done over here. This is 60 degree. This is what you get over here y. They have put this marking over here. What we need to find is, this is what they are given, and then you need to find is the measure of, you need to find that is measure of angle ABD. कहाँ पे ABD? ये full. This is यहाँ पे D है. This is your ABD, and the next one you need to find is your measure of angle ACD, ये full. So what we need to do is first we need to find out that is what is ये x कितना, ये y कितना. Now we'll write over here the solution. I said it's very simple. Now we say over this one that is in triangle ABC. ये triangle में we say that is since segment AB is congruent to segment, क्या दिया बच्चा, this is AC and this is what will have over here given. Therefore we can say this is your triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, so you can say, अभी बोला था isosceles triangle theorem, so you can say this is your angle ABC is congruent to angle क्या आएगा बच्चा, that is ACP, that is by isosceles triangle theorem. Again I repeat, ये triangle में ये और ये congruent है तो ये angle और ये angle congruent रहेगा. How much is this? This is x. How much is this? Is 50. So we got this is x is equal to 50 degree. Same we'll do over here also. We'll say in triangle that is BDC. सेम आ गया बच्चा लोग, थोड़ी सी हो गया. दिस इज योर व्हाट इज दैट बच्चा, ये बोला हुआ है दैट इज सेगमेंट CD इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सेगमेंट ये, दिस इज BD and this is what you get over here, this is given. So again the same, that is triangle BDC is an isosceles triangle, and if it is an isosceles triangle तो we can say that is the angle, ये है ना बच्चा CD का opposite ये है, that is the angle DCB, this is angle DCB is congruent to angle that is DBC, यहाँ पे reason लिखो isosceles triangle theorem. ये DCB कितना है बच्चा, that is y, and how much is this is 60, ये आ गया. अभी आपको पूछा क्या, x और y नहीं पूछा. What have they asked? What is angle ABD? Now what is angle ABD? ABD. ABD ये दोनों को मिला के होता है, तो you can see angle ABD that is equal to angle ABC plus angle A. ABD is equal to angle ABC plus angle A. CBD plus angle CBD. What did you say बच्चा, बड़ा एंगल इज इक्वल टू छोटा एंगल प्लस छोटा एंगल, सो यू एडेड एंगल over here, तो यू शुड से दिस इज एंगल एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. क्या बोलेगा, एंगल एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी. ABC दिस इज x हमने पहले से निकाला कितना 50, ये ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट इज हाउ मच 60, and therefore we get this is the angle ABD is equal to कितना आएगा बच्चा 110 degree. I'll do it over here. The next one you have to find is the angle ACD. बच्चा ACD that is same, that is your angle आ जाएगा ACB plus angle कौन सा आएगा, that is BCD. Same will have a reason over here, that is angle addition property. ये how much is this बच्चा 50, तो नीचे वाला y ऑलरेडी हमने फाइंड आउट किया, और ये एंगल ACD is also equal to 110 degree. So this is how you have to do your sum. Now बच्चा लोग check with your sum number 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will do together because उसमें प्रॉपर्टी आ जाएगा, याद है. In a right angle triangle, बच्चा लोग in a right angle triangle, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the hypotenuse. बस इतना प्रॉपर्टी आना चाहिए. You can do the second and the third very easily. Now check with your sum number 2. The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. So this is your sum number 2. So this is your right angle triangle ABC. The length of this hypotenuse, how much they are given? That is equal to 15 centimeter. They are given over here, that is the length of the hypotenuse is, it's only 15, so we'll write 15. Then you find the length of the median. Find out, what you have to find out, this is the right angle triangle, you have to find out, this is your median, bacha logo over here, will be P. So we have to find out the length of this median. It's very simple. You write over here given way, in the triangle ABC, you can say angle B is equal to 90 degree, and you say over here BP is what bacha is median, and you say well this is AC is equal to 15, and what we need to find bacha is your BP. Now chalo pay attention everybody over here with the solution. Solution में लिखो बच्चा लो, that is in right angle triangle, what is that name, ABC. We say that is since BP is what बच्चा, it is median, therefore we can use your property बच्चा लोग, that is in वही property, बस property के लिए marks है, in a right angle triangle, you can say over here the median drawn to the hypotenuse is क्या बोलेगा बच्चा, half the hypotenuse. ये याद रखो. So what is your median, that is BP will be equal to half of hypotenuse is what बच्चा, that is AC. This is half into 15, and you get over here that is BP is equal to 7.5. So simple. Now check everybody with your third भी वैसा ही दिया हुआ है, that is in right angle triangle. Everybody over here, this is your triangle PQR, where you got this is equal to 90 degree. Check a triangle PQR, Q is equal to 90 degree. This PQ is equal to कितना बच्चा 12. This QR is equal to 5, and you get QS. This is your median बच्चा. And what you have to find over here is tell what is the length of QS. अभी इधर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, लेंथ ऑफ QS था बच्चा, that will be half of this PR. बट आपको PR नहीं मालूम है, बट यू नो दिस साइड यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस साइड बाय Pythagoras theorem. So we start over here. V से, please pay attention. In right angle triangle PQR, I think everybody knows Pythagoras theorem. So what do you say by Pythagoras theorem? Achha, everybody know hypotenuse square, that is you say PR square is equal to QR square plus क्या आएगा बच्चा PQ square. PR square we are finding out PR square. This is 5 square. This is 12 square. This is 25 plus 144 और ये बनेगा तुम्हारा PR square is equal to 169 और हो गया बच्चा PR is equal to कितना हो गया 39. अभी ये जो सेम प्रॉपर्टी इधर यूज करेगा फी से हो गया, दैट इज अगेन बोलेगा इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल we say PQR, you get over QS is a median. तो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है ना बच्चा, ये प्रॉपर्टी सेम इधर लिख लो, दैट इज इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल द मीडियन ड्रॉन टू द हाइपोटेन्यूज इज हाफ द हाइपोटेन्यूज. So therefore you can say this is your QS is equal to half of PR, this is equal to half of this is 13 and we get over QS is equal to 6.5. चेक करो टेक्स्ट बुक्स में सेंटीमीटर दिया है या नहीं दिया है, they are not given anything. So this is we got over QS that is equal to 6.5. So this is your sum number 2 and this is your sum number 3. Now chalo bachalo we'll do with your last sum of this exercise, that is your sum number 4. Everybody I hope everybody understood first sum में क्या था, that was isosceles triangle theorem. Second and third sum में same था, that is the what you had बचा, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the hypotenuse. Or if you can't write that big sentence, you can write only that is property of median drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Yeah, you can write that property. Now check with your last sum, that is your sum number 4. Very simple. Check everybody how will you do with this sum. You can see the diagram over here on the board. This is your centroid, this is the median over here. What they are given in the figure, G is the point of concurrence of a median of triangle PQR. GT, this is over here GT, this is what they are given. ठीक है, तो given में we can say over here that is PT is a median, or you can say over here G is the centroid, and you got a GT. Check how much they are given over there. GT that is equal to 2.5. Very simple. We need to find, check everybody, what we need to find, the length of PG and PT. So we need to find that is PG and PT. Chalo, check everybody with the solution. Now we can say that since G is the centroid, ठीक है, and therefore बच्चा लोग everybody now चलो क्या दिया है बच्चा, ये GT दिया हुआ है ये, ठीक है, और आपको ये PG पूछा है, तो ये पार्ट दिया है और आपको ये पार्ट पूछा है बच्चा लोग. तो एवरीबडी कीप इन माइंड द रेशियो बोला था दैट इज 2:1. तो ये अगर बच्चा लोग ये ना ये वन पार्ट रहता है, ये उसका डबल रहता है, तो PG विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ GT. तो you can write over that is your PG is equal to twice of what you can say over here, that is GT. You can say over here the centroid divides the median in the ratio, कौन सा रेशियो में बच्चा, दैट इज इन द रेशियो 2:1. हो गया, दिस इज PG is PG, this is twice, GT is already over here, that is 2.5 and we get over here PG is equal to how much you get बच्चा 5. हो गया. अभी नेक्स्ट PT पूछे, अभी चेक करो बच्चा लोग PT सिंपल है, you can say PT बच्चा लोग PT is equal to that is PG plus GT. Reason will be P dash G dash D T. PG is what we got 5, ये हमारे पास पहले से है, एंड हो गया PT is equal to 7.5. So बच्चा लोग, this is how you have to do with your exercise 3.3. I hope everybody understood. So we finish with your video over here. बाकी का will continue in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye, tata, take care.